Hello students, today we will be solving question number 3 from the CMI data science question paper for the year 2018. So let's start off. So here it has been given that let X be the matrix 3 1 2, and 3 1 2 basically here it is a row matrix and it has only one row. Then which of the following statements are true? Option A, X transpose X is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Option B, X into X transpose is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Option C, X into X transpose is a 1 cross 1 matrix. And option D, X into X transpose is equal to X transpose X. So these are the 4 options. So now, as you can see here, X is equal to the matrix 3 1 2. So it has one row and as you can see 3 columns. So the order of this matrix is 1 cross 3. Okay, so therefore X transpose will be basically, you can write it down as 3 1 2. So as you can see, it has 3 rows and 1 column. So now if we find out the value of the matrix X transpose X, so 3 cross 1 into 1 cross 3, you should ultimately get somewhat a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, and if you find X into X transpose, so basically you'll end up with 1 cross 3 into 3 cross 1, so 3 3 goes out, so you're left with a 1 cross 1 matrix. So therefore that definitely implies that X transpose X is not equal to X into X transpose, since their orders are different orders. Okay, so that eliminates option D. Option D is eliminated. And now we have also found out that X transpose X is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So option A is correct. And X into X transpose is a 1 cross 1 matrix. Option C is correct. Option B is incorrect. And option D is also incorrect. So the correct options in this case are option A and option C. These are the correct options. So this is the manner in which you solve question number 3. I will be solving the next question in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.